Yo guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to VLOOKUP. This tool is gonna make your life much easier. I hope you believe this guy. Anyway, let's jump into it. Imagine you have in a spreadsheet article numbers and you need to figure out description, delivery date, and these information happen to be in a data sheet with hundreds, thousands, anyway, with a lot of information. It's gonna take a lot of time in order to do that. Let me teach you how to VLOOKUP. So we're gonna look for description first, hit equal, type in V, click on VLOOKUP twice. We're just gonna go and follow these steps. So we're looking for this article number, semicolon, the table or the data sheet, and go and select the whole thing, semicolon, and we need the index. So basically the logic is A is index 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So we need description, which is index 2. Hit 2, semicolon, exact match, bam, you got it. And go to this letter square in here, click twice, then you are ready to go. Okay, let's repeat the process again. Equal, VLOOKUP, this article number, select the whole thing, delivery date is index 3, and always exact match. Okay. It's so easy. However, you need to pay attention to a couple of things. Always, the reference you're looking for should always be in the first column you select. For example, if I was looking for the description, I would select from here. Okay? And let's add another thing. Let's say we need remarks. Copy this one. And we have remarks delay in time, whatever. So repeat the process. Equal, VLOOKUP, this information. Okay, let's do the example I just gave. I want to look from description. So I'm gonna go and start from description. And pay attention here, I did not select D because in this example I want to show you two things. So I started from description, all right? And D is range 3 because this is 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go and hit 3, exact match. Of course I have nothing because I did not select range D. I'm just gonna go and fix that, delete that one, and select the whole thing equal. I hope you got it. I know you got it. You're smart, you're beautiful. Have a good day.